Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Netta. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing my July BoxyCharm box. So if you are ready to get into this box and see what goodies I got for the month of July from BoxyCharm, then stay tuned. So this is actually a true unboxing video. Cross my heart. I know normally by the time I get to the video to share everything that came in my BoxyCharm box, I have already sneaked a peek. But I didn't do that this time. This box has been sitting there on top of my makeup dresser and I haven't touched it. It's just been sitting there. I actually, to be honest, forgot about it. I've been so busy with life that I just honestly forgot about the box. But today we're going to jump right into it. So let's get started. Here's the little insert card that comes with the BoxyCharm box, and this is the base box. I do not have the premium or luxe subscription at this moment, but this is the base box. And so I'm just going to go through the list that came on my little insert card here, and we'll talk about the products and if it's something that I want to keep or something that I'll actually put for sale up on my Poshmark account. So guys, make sure you stay tuned to this video. I'll leave the time step down in the description box because I do have a few pieces from my makeup collection going up for sale on my Poshmark closet. So yes, if you're interested in any of the products, then just stay tuned and we'll look at those. But the ones that are going to go up for sale, if any, from this box, I'll tell you up front. So first we have Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Where is that? Got it. It is. So that's this. Oh, this right here. Okay, so vitamin C brightening booster, watermelon, green tea, pineapple. Sounds like a fruit salad. Okay, so a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. Manufacturer seller retail price is $49.95. So this looks really good, but let me look at the ingredients because you guys know how I feel about fragrance in my skincare. So I just want to see fragrance as well as essential oils in my skincare. So I just want to see what the ingredients look like on this to determine if I'll keep it or not. It's got some really good ingredients. Don't see any essential oils, so oh no, here it is, flavor slash aroma, but it is all the way down. Literally, it is the last ingredient, so that's okay with me. I do want to see how it looks. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Guys, I live for skincare. I wish BoxyCharm could just send me a box full of skincare because I feel like skincare is a lot more important than your actual makeup. I mean, if you can perfect your skincare and get your skin to the healthiest, happiest point that it could be, then the makeup process is just that much easier. So yes, I will be keeping this one. Next, we have the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. So I'm always weary of eyebrow products that come in my BoxyCharm box because half the time I can't use them because they're too light of a shade. Where is it? I'm not finding it. Come on. Oh, here it is right here. Okay. So that is this right here. Okay. Sorry guys, the light is up, but there it goes. Okay, an ultra precise brow pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes for microblade worthy effects without the blade. The 1.4 millimeter tip provides complete control for natural defined brows, and this retails for $28. So what shade did they send me? Because if I can't use it, dark brunette. What does that even mean? Dark brunette. Okay, so brown. All right, but how dark brown is it? Oh, I do like the spoolie. I always love the spoolies. But let's look at this pencil. Yeah, this color, I don't think I'm gonna be able to use. Let me see. Oh, okay, well actually I can use it. Ooh, and I just broke some. Okay, so that's how it looks on the back of the hand. So actually I can use this to fill in the head of the brow. So, okay, I stand corrected. They actually sent me a brow pencil that I can work with, so very good. Okay, Ace Beauty. Where are you, Ace Beauty? Oh, okay, I think. Oh, I have been wanting an Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette for a really long time. Oh, okay, I'm actually kind of excited. Okay, so this is the palette from Ace Beauty. I've had Ace Beauty on my list of eyeshadow palettes that I want to pick up for about like 2 months now. So I am so happy that I got one of these in the BoxyCharm box. So Ace Beauty, the Bronzed in Paradise Bronzer Palette is an addition to the much loved Paradise Collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be layered on top of liquid cream or other powder complexion products. And this retails for $30. Let's take a look here, shall we? Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, it is perfect. This is the perfect palette for my complexion. Oh my gosh, I can definitely use this shade to bronze. I can use this shade to contour. And I can use these 2 shades as like setting powders for the under eye area. Wow, that's great. Okay, BoxyCharm comes through this month. So I will, so far looks like I'm keeping everything. Yeah, okay. Cool, what's next? Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Eye Mask. OMG, you guys, if you saw my product empties video that I posted a while back, you know that I just ran out of those Shiseido eye masks that I purchased, and I've been in the market for some new eye masks, and BoxyCharm came through for your girl. Okay, so this is the eye mask, and it says it's like an energy drink for your eyes, anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. Yes, thank you, thank you. Okay, so suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, that's me, guys. I get puffy eye bags like crazy. Fine lines and general fatigue around your eyes, yes. Perk them up as if you just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They revitalize and rejuvenate tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful, and it retails for $21. Keeping it. Oh, I'm so excited. I think I finally got a box that I'm actually going to use everything in it. That actually hasn't happened in a long time. Anything else? Anything else? No, that's it. Okay. So last but not least is this Beauty by Pop Sugar. Okay, I haven't tried anything from Pop Sugar. Make Waves, Liquids, Metallic Eye Color. Ooh, liquid eyeshadow. Okay. If mermaids made makeup, this would be it. A magic water that washes liquid color over eyelids and dries fast. Use Make Waves to deposit shimmer directly on the lash line or build bolder colors on lids for a 3D effect. Any way you wear it, it's bound to make a splash, and it retails for $23. Ooh, so I don't have any eye toppers in my makeup collection, and I'm actually gonna go on a haul in a few weeks because there were some eye toppers from Stella that I want to try. And as you guys know, Pat Patrick Starr with his beautiful, wonderful self. Just created his own brand, and he has eye toppers in his brand. And I actually am on the list to get the notifications when it goes live so I can pick them up. And so I'm so happy to have this. I want to look at it. No Bad Days is the shade I have here. Okay. Okay, it's very liquidy, as you can see. Okay, very runny and liquidy. I always picture eye toppers to be more like thick, like a thicker consistency. But let's see. Oh yeah, that's liquidy. Let me just... Okay, this is like a purple. I can get down with that. I love purple, but it's like a mauve-y purple. So that's what it looks like right there. Okay. Very subtle. It is very liquidy, but I'm willing to give it a try. So guys, that's everything from my BoxyCharm box. Let's see, how much was this month's value? So this month's box had a total value of $151.95. Not bad for a $25 a month subscription. Okay, so I'm very happy with everything that came in my box this month. I can't wait to try it out and to post some videos and show you guys some looks, to review the skincare products and let you know if I like them or not. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys are doing well. Are you guys subscribed to any beauty boxes? I know Allura has one, Trendy Mood has one, BoxyCharm. I can't think of any others. I feel like there are others, but do you guys have any other beauty subscriptions? I would love to hear all about it. And if you are also subscribed to BoxyCharm, like what came in your box this month, and do you like the subscription program? Let me know. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next one.